Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab and rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of cooked crab meat, flaked and free of shells. Also, have 2 cups of cooked long-grain white rice, cooled. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. These fresh components are key to a flavorful dish. Next, we'll prepare the aromatics. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add your minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and cook until it softens, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to combine everything. Add the flaked crab meat to the skillet with the softened onions and garlic. Gently fold in the cooled white rice, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed. Season the mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your taste. Continue to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until heated through. To finish, stir in the fresh, chopped cilantro just before serving. This adds a wonderful burst of freshness and color. Serve your delicious crab and rice immediately, either as a satisfying main course or a delightful side dish. It pairs wonderfully with a squeeze of fresh lime. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals to elevate your home experience. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.